So how do you see saved passwords in the Google account on your Android? So let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So you can have, or you do have, multiple ways you can get there. The surest way would be to go to the Play Store and get the Google Passwords Manager as a standalone separate app. So if you just look up the passwords, it's very likely it's going to pop up, and as you can tell, it's even the first app. So you can install it, it's freely available, and inside of this app you can essentially sign in with any of your Google accounts and see the passwords which are saved there. So as you can tell, I am already using the account in there, so I'm signed in, and you can really find your passwords and passkeys in here. With this account, I don't seemingly have anything stored. So yeah, I can also manage the settings and offer to save passwords. So you can decide if you get the pop-up to save the password whenever you sign in or something. So you can play around with it, and it's like a great standalone app. But you probably should also know that you can get to the very same page even without the app, but through the Google Chrome browser, which you most likely have on your phone already. And in this case, if you get inside like this, you can go to the three dots, then settings, and the passwords manager is in here. And as you can see, the same thing is going on, the same settings, the same stuff, export, import passwords, whatever, but you don't even have to get like the separate app for it. So that's like another option. Let me know below in the comments if you actually managed to find it and what you think about this video below. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the future uploads.